Okay, I'm going to read through these for you. Bear with me because it will be worthwhile. The first one is personal allowances, £12,570. Everyone gets a tax-free personal allowance each year. For 2025-26, this is still £12,570. If your income is below this threshold, you pay no income tax. If it's slightly above, there are ways to gift income to your spouse, e.g. married allowance. That's number two. Marriage allowance, up to £252 saving. If one spouse earns below the personal allowances, they can transfer £1,260 of their allowance to the other spouse. This can reduce the couple's total tax bill by up to £252 a year, and you can backdate it up to 4 years. And a lot of people actually miss that, so obviously that's something you might want to look at. ISA allowance, £20,000 tax-free. You can put up to £20,000 per year into an ISA individual savings account. Any interest, dividends or capital gains made inside an ISA are completely tax-free. It's one of the simplest legal ways to shelter money from tax. So again, that's well worth looking at. Number four, pension contributions and tax relief. Paying into a pension gives you tax relief as your marginal rate. If you're a basic rate taxpayer, for every £80 you contribute, the government adds £20. Higher rate taxpayers can claim an extra 20% or more via self-assessment. This also reduces your taxable income, which can help avoid losing allowances. 5. Rent a room scheme, £7,500 tax-free. You can earn up to £7,500 per year tax-free by renting out a spare room in your main home. This is great for homeowners who take in lodgers or offer Airbnb style rentals. Trading allowance, £1,000 tax-free. Sorry, excuse me, just bear with me for a second. Number 6, trading allowance. This is £1,000 tax-free. If you make up to £1,000 a year from casual self-employment, side hustles, selling online, tutoring, etc., you can earn it tax-free using the trading allowance. Number 7, bear with me again for a moment. Number 7, capital gains annual exemption. For 2025-26, the capital gains tax annual exempt amount is £3,000 per person. You can use this allowance strategically, e.g. selling assets over multiple tax years or by transferring assets to a spouse tax-free due to double tax exemptions. Gift aid donations. Number 8. If you donate to the UK charities using gift aid, they can reclaim 25% extra from HMRC, and higher rate taxpayers can claim additional tax relief on their self-assessment. Example, donate £800 to charity, claim £200, and you can claim another £200 if you're a higher rate taxpayer. 9. Mileage of flat rate expenses for the self-employed. Instead of tracking every business expense, self-employed people can use HMRC's simplified tax rate, e.g. 45p per mile for cars for the first 10,000 miles. Often this gives a higher deduction than actual costs and saves admin time. 10. Salary plus dividends for small company directors. If you run a limited company, you can pay yourself a salary below the national insurance threshold and take the rest as dividends, which are usually taxed at a lower rate than salary. This is a classic and perfectly legal tax planning technique for many UK contractors and small business owners. Bonus, carry forward pension allowances. If you haven't used all your personal pension allowance, £60,000 in 2025-26, you can carry forward unused allowances from the previous 3 years, provided you are a member of a registered pension scheme. This allows big one-off pension contributions to reduce tax. These are 100% legal allowances and reliefs, not shady loopholes. They should always be used within HMRC rules, and some, e.g. dividend structures, may require tailored advice. Yes, you've got to be very careful with that. Tax rules can change annually. Always check current HMRC guidelines and consult a tax advisor if unsure. Very good advice. Okay, thanks for listening.